You ever have one of those brilliant, game-changing ideas? For a new building or a huge business expansion, only to get stopped dead in your tracks by one giant question. How on earth do I pay for this? Well, today, we're going to break down the powerful financial tool that's designed to answer that very question, the project loan.
So, you've got the vision, it's all mapped out in your head, clear as day. But turning that blueprint into actual bricks and mortar, that takes serious capital. And that's the wall where so many incredible ideas just get stuck. So how do you bridge that gap between the vision in your head and reality?
Well, the answer to that funding question might just be hiding in an asset you already own. Let's dive right in and break down exactly what a project loan is and how it can be the key that finally unlocks your big vision.
Okay, so at its core, a project loan isn't about pulling money out of thin air. It's a special kind of loan where you leverage the value of a property you already have. It could be commercial, residential, even industrial, and you use that as security to finance a brand new project. You're basically turning a static asset, just sitting there, into active, working capital.
So now that we know what it is, let's get into the good stuff. Let's talk numbers. Because to really figure out if this is the right tool for you, you've got to understand the financial scale and the scoop we're dealing with here.
First up, let's talk about the sheer size of these things. Project loans can go up to a massive 100 crore rupees. Yeah, this is not for minor upgrades or small renovation. This is funding for truly transformative, game-changing projects.
And check this out. Lenders can finance up to 90% of your total project cost. Now just think about that for a second. That dramatically reduces the amount of cash you need to bring to the table up front, making those huge projects suddenly feel a whole lot more achievable.
And how do you make a massive loan like that manageable? Well, the repayment timeline can stretch for up to 30 years. A longer tenure means smaller monthly payments, and that is absolutely vital for keeping your cash flow healthy while your new project is getting off the ground. Of course, the big question is always, what's it going to cost me? Interest rates typically fall somewhere between 9 and 14.5% per year. Now that's a pretty wide range, right? And that's because lenders are balancing the risk. So where you land on that scale really depends on your credit history, the kind of project you're planning, and your business's track record. So when you put it all together, the whole financial structure is really designed for business stability. You get manageable payments because of the reasonable rates and those long tenures. Plus, there's another layer of flexibility here, the option for a balance transfer. That just means you can switch lenders later on if you find a better deal somewhere else.
Okay, so the numbers look pretty promising, right? But they only matter if you can actually qualify. So let's switch gears and take a look at who's eligible to apply for this kind of funding. Is this the right fit for you? Let's find out.
All right, here are the absolute basics. First, you need to be a resident of India. Your age has to be between 21 and 65. And this type of loan is specifically for people who run their own show. We're talking business owners and self-employed professionals. And last, you have to be an income tax assessee, which is just a fancy way of saying you officially file your taxes.
Now you might be wondering, what about non-resident Indians? And that's a great question. There's an important little detail here. You're not automatically out of the running, but it's not a guarantee either. It really just comes down to the specific policies of each bank or lender, so you'll have to check with them directly. Okay, let's say you tick all those boxes. You're eligible. The next step is getting your application ready. Now, this is the part where people can get a little overwhelmed, but trust me, it doesn't have to be that complicated if you just have a clear plan.
So, the absolute best way to tackle the paperwork is to break it down. Just think of it in 4 simple buckets. First, your KYC documents. That's basically your ID. Second, all the legal papers for the property you're using as collateral. Third, proof that your business is legit. And fourth, documents that show your financial history.
But hold on, before you even start digging for documents, there is one rule you absolutely, positively need to know. A co-applicant isn't optional, it is mandatory. And the rules are super clear. It has to be a close family member, like a spouse, a parent, or an adult child. And this is critical. If the property has more than one owner, all of them have to be on the application. Friends, generally that's a no-go, unless they're also a formal partner in your business.
So what does this actually look like in practice? Let's make a quick checklist. For KYC, you're going to need your Aadhaar and PAN cards. For the property, it's the legal deed and the sanctioned building plan. For your business, something like a GST registration will work. And for your financials, you'll need your recent bank statements and tax returns. Simple as that.
Whew, we have covered a ton of ground here, from the big picture numbers all the way down to the fine print on the paperwork. So let's just take a breath, bring it all together, and lock in the most important things you need to remember.
Let's just boil it all down to 5 key things. Number 1, a project loan turns your property into fuel for your project. 2, it's built for big dreams, with huge loan amounts and long payback times. 3, it's really designed for established business owners. 4, that co-applicant rule, it is non-negotiable. And 5, getting your documents organized from the start is going to be your best friend in this whole process.
So there you have it. We've laid out the entire blueprint for you. What it is, how the money works, and what you need to do. So the only question left is the one right there on your screen. Now that you know how it works, is your property the key to unlocking your next big project?